I thought being alone at this age meant I missed my chance. Like somehow I was behind. But I was wrong. Because what I didn't realize was I had never actually chosen myself before. I was always adjusting, compromising, trying to make things work that never felt right, and calling that love. So I started doing something different. I started showing up for me. Not for attention, not for validation, not for companionship, but for discipline, for clarity, for peace. I slowed my life all the way down. And for the first time, I could hear myself. I started taking myself out, sitting with myself, and realizing I actually love who I am now. My life isn't loud. It's not chaotic. And it's not confusing anymore. And I used to think love would bring me peace. But the truth is peace is what helped me find myself. If you're dating after 50, start with you.